What are the quantifiable, objective differences among typical small settlements, villages, towns, cities, and megacities within countries? What also happens to aspects such as life satisfaction, subjective well-being, physical and mental health when cities get bigger? Do density, congestion, house prices, happiness, loneliness vary with settlement sizes? Within a same region, does a typical 2 million inhabitant city, related to a typical 1 million, expect to have a double amount of crime, CO2 emissions, GDP, built surface, street areas, patents, infections? If so, isometric relation, or if not, allometric. Why? More than 100 articles in indexed journals represent the state-of-the-art of urban scaling, a relatively recent area of urban science, investigating how measurable characteristics of cities scale, with their sizes. When they scale linearly, the relation is isometric. For example, double population involves double built area. When not, for example, double population involves more or less than double built area. The relation is allometric, involving phenomena such as increasing returns, economies of scale, economies and dice economies of agglomerations. In biology, allometry, also called biological scaling, represents the change, such as metabolism, surface area, lifespan, heart beating, in organisms in relation to proportional changes in their body sizes, mass. It emerged in the 1920s to 30s, for later attracting the attention of urban scholars who, during the last few decades, started to consistently investigate eventual allometries in urban settlements too. This knowledge adds an important theoretical, empirical, and policies-oriented toolkit which any urban scholar nowadays should, if not dominate, at least be aware of. The impelling need to best accommodate a few billions of new incoming urban dwellers poses the requirement to well understand what would likely happen to certain factors at different settlement sizes, and then, by planning, how to prevent or encourage these factors. It also provides scientific inputs to decision-making and policies for the renovation of small settlements, of which the world is full and almost ghost, and offer an intriguing new way to evaluate adjusted performance, costs and benefits associated with urbanicity levels. Here's some authoritative comments about this subject, called urban scaling, or urban allometries, from a recent book, the only book actually. Richard Florida describes urban scaling as a growing crucial field, Roger W. White as an increasingly important subject, David Bannister as a contribution to our understanding of cities, Christopher D.F. Rogers as a foundation on which all urban professionals can build, and for Michael Batty, scaling can be used to define ways in which we can develop more sustainable and robust approaches to the design of better cities